Are you serious? The bike just died on me. Oh, let me text Joel because I told him I was stuck. Whew. I'll explain in a second here what happened. That was an eye-opener, let me just tell you. Whew. And out of all places, right? Look at this bend right there, bend right there. Thing shuts off more or less right there. I go up, I'm parked on the grass. I'm like, what do I do? And then I saw this spot over here. I was like, oh, maybe I could push the bike over here. So I pushed the bike over here. Man, are you ready for this? All right, you can hear the fuel pump turn on. Hit the start button, nothing. I shut the bike off by accident. What the hell, man? While I was riding, I somehow shut the bike off. I'm gonna have to review that footage. That's why I wasn't restarting. That was so weird. I'm getting ready to call people. Timmy, if you're watching this video, I'm gonna call you. I know you got tools over there. I was gonna ask you to bring me a screwdriver or something so I can look at the battery. If there's any corrosion or something on there. And it's running fine now. Let me just tell you, that was a little scary. I'm checking for codes right now. Well, still firmware downloading. This might take a while. I'm in the middle of a park right now. Let's go for a walk. I don't know if the bike needs to be on. I don't want to leave the bike alone. Ah, screw it. Oh, I'm here. I'll leave the phone on there while it updates, because I don't know if it's updating the firmware on the bike itself, the FP3 player, or if it's updating on the phone itself. Anyway, we're gonna go for a stroll around the park. Think I can fit in there? check out the trees. They're starting to change colors. Look at that down there. I'll zoom in. I'll zoom in. Let's go check out that really nice red tree. This is not the type of foliage, however you pronounce that I wanted to bring, but check out these leaves. Those things are bright red. Isn't that crazy? That's pretty crazy. That just means snow is coming. I don't want snow. I wonder what those girls down there are doing with that dog. I don't know. Let's see if that update is done. I can check for engine codes. If there's no engine codes, then I'm just gonna go for a ride. I don't live that far from this park, so I just don't want to put myself in a spot where a tow is gonna cost a lot more, you know what I mean? I like to spend money, I guess, right? Like my new adjustable bed. I'm not eating. I don't have any snacks on me. How do I not have snacks on me? I think that would have been the worst part, is being stuck without any snacks. I gotta start carrying M&Ms with me as like an emergency packet type deal thing. So we'll see. Let's go check out the firmware. See if that's done uploading so I can check for engine codes. All right, it's done. Let's see. Let's go to maintenance, read trouble code. It says reading trouble codes. Nothing. There's no trouble codes. Enjoy the view. Look at this view. Well, everybody, I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you liked what you're seeing. Hope you learned from my experience. I thought I broke down. I didn't break down. But if you like the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments if anybody's got any issues, or if you've ever done this to yourself. That was kind of embarrassing and kind of funny and scary all at the same time. But yeah, anyway, Austin, I'll talk to you later, buddy. I'm gonna end this video right here, buddy.